Hello everyone, today I am going to do the unboxing of this peanut butter. So let's start. Actually I have ordered it from Flipkart. So let's see. Only a few minutes, then after we will see what is there inside it. Here we got it. You can see its packaging is very luxurious. Here we got it. It's a pack of 132 gram and its price is, let's check what is its price. Its price is 320 rupees. Now let's open it. So you can see here it is like this, and after that we have to remove this wrapper from here. So you can see it. Its taste is really very good. I like it, but इतना भी ज़्यादा टेस्टी नहीं होता ये कि आप इसे सारा खा जाओगे. इसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोटीन्स होते हैं एंड फैट होता है. दैट्स वाई आई यूज़ इट. I hope you have enjoyed its unboxing, and if you want to see its review, then comment me. I will make the video of its review. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have liked this video, then please comment below and subscribe my channel.